What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Axelar on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Coinbase account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. For the first step, we will select the buy and sell option right on top, click on it, and the purchase overview will be opened. So for now I will leave it on a one-time purchase, but if you would like to select a different purchase frequency, just select one which suits to you. You have a daily option, a weekly option, a twice a month option, or a monthly option. And for the next step, you can fill in the amount of fiat you would like to use for this purchase. I will use €2, and now I can select the asset we are going to buy. Click on it and just stick in the search bar Axelar. As you can see, a AXL will be shown. Click on it, and after that you have selected it. Now what you can do, you can select your fiat wallet to pay with. I'm using my Euro wallet, but if you live in another country or region, then you can select your US dollar wallet or another currency as you would like. If you don't have any options here, then you can simply add a payment method by clicking on the button below, and after that it will appear in this list. For now I will leave it on my Euro wallet, and I will click on review order to see some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm buying 1.4 coins and I'm spending €1 and 1 cent. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents, and in total we are spending €2. If you would like to invest on a weekly base, they also give an option to select this button. I will leave it on no because I want to make a one-time purchase, but if you would like to do it on a weekly base, just select it and it will be bought at the same amount every week. You can cancel it anytime, so that is no problem. And if you decided to buy these coins, just click on buy now and the coins will be directly added to your wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.